Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and signing into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication enabled. This is critical for secure key sharing. Once done, open the Home or Wallet app and locate the invitation from your smart lock provider. Accept it. Make sure to tap Add to Wallet when prompted, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode so the key is stored securely on your device and ready for use. Now you configure how you and others will use the home key. Assign owner, guest, or temporary access, and set an expiration for limited passes. This controls security and convenience. Next, enable Express Mode in Wallet for immediate unlock without authentication, and verify that NFC and Bluetooth are active on your device to ensure reliable communication with the lock. Finally, make automations in the Home app to complete the process. Hold your iPhone near the lock's reader or tap the door area in Wallet. Use Express Mode for instant access, otherwise authenticate. You can share the home key through the Home app for guests and revoke or edit permissions at any time to maintain control. If unlocking fails, troubleshoot by confirming iOS is updated, the lock's firmware is current, and Bluetooth/NFC are on. If problems persist, remove and re-add the key, or contact the lock provider for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.